trading app is not good for a large amount of shares. So if you're going to be buying a large amount of shares, like maybe 1,000 shares, 10,000 shares, the app hasn't been good for that for me. I don't know if there's another method. Maybe you can call Robinhood and speak to the broker live and get those shares live and direct. I don't know about that type of setup. I know some people online on YouTube, some traders talk about having a personal broker where they call them and they get their shares. So I don't know if Robinhood operates the same way, and that's the better way for us to get these large amount of shares we need to make these profits we want to make. For me, last week I was trying to make a profit off of 1,000 shares, so I had a $10 profit. But when I went to go sell the shares, Robinhood app sold the shares in pieces. So I pressed to sell 1,000 shares and it sold 200. Then maybe 2, 3 minutes later, it sold another 100. Then the next day, I was able to sell the other 500 shares, something like that. But I lost the $10 gain that I had by the time all the shares were being sold. So that's not good, because if you trade and you're in the business of making money, you're not in the business of losing money because of a faulty app or a faulty broker. You're not in the business of losing money. You want to make money. So that wasn't good to me. So I also have a SureTrader account, and I messed that up. Lost 500 on that. So I have to reload that and get back into there. But that's trading no volatility stocks, which can be tricky. But I can't trade penny stocks there. They charge a lot to trade penny stocks on SureTrader. I can trade them on SureTrader, but they charge a lot, and the fees can get kind of crazy. And I think they want you to have $3 per share on a stock that's below $3. So they want you to have $3 of your own money for each share you buy of a stock that's below $3. And I'm just not there yet. So trading is yeah, you can watch Tim Sykes on here and Tim Grittani and Raging Bull on Wall Street and some of these other guys show you profits, but you can get those profits. I'm not saying that they're lying. They telling the truth. The money is there. It's just that you got to find the right brokers, the right brokers that get you quick executions. Tim Sykes talk about it all the time. Quick executions. Execution meaning that if you punch in 1,000 shares, they give you 1,000 shares right away. If you sell 1,000 shares, it'll sell it right away, so you can get your profits, or so you can get in where you want to get in at. So finding the right broker. I tried to look up Interactive Broker. I think that's the one that Tim Sykes used, but they want a minimum of 10,000 down to open an account. I don't have 10,000. I'm probably sitting around, $1,000 to trade with. So therefore, the next one I'm gonna look at is probably TD Ameritrade. But I think eventually you got to have a 2,000 minimum there. I think they'll let you open up with 500, but eventually you got to have 2,000 minimum. So this is gonna be tricky. I don't know. I got to find the right broker to buy penny stocks with. I wish there was a video on here to show you which broker is best for penny stocks when you're starting out with a low amount of money, like $500 or $1,000 or $2,000. Some are starting out real low, and I just don't see how we can make these big old leaps. I know in November, December, January, the stock market is pretty much running. Everything is running up. Something might go from $50 to $10. So the money is there. November, December, January, you can make a whole bunch of money because the market is different. It's really, everything is really running. You don't know what might go from $1 to $25. I seen it. I couldn't believe it, but I saw it. But I'll keep you posted. If I find a broker that good with the penny stocks, I'll keep you posted, make another video. But leave me a comment. I'm out.